Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are going to learn how to crochet the Thicket Stitch. The Thicket Stitch is very easy and it's fun to work up. All you need to know how to make is the single crochet and the double crochet, and that's it. And bonus when your nails match your yarn, right? So let's learn how to crochet the Thicket Stitch with this tutorial. To start the Thicket Stitch, you're always going to have a chain of even numbers. So it doesn't matter if that's 10 or if that's 100, as long as you have a chain that is an even number. So here I've got 10 chains already worked up. We're going to crochet the Thicket Stitch. The very first thing that you want to do, so we're going to set up our first row here. The very first thing you're going to want to do is find the second chain from your hook. So this one right here, here's number 1, here's number 2. I like to work in the back bar, so I'm going to kind of turn it a little bit. I'm going to go into this back bar. So your very first thing you're going to do is in the second chain from the hook, do a single crochet, and then do a double crochet in that same space. Now on your next, we're going to skip this next chain, so don't work into that one. In the next, we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet. And we're going to skip the next one, and we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet in the next. Skip the next, single and double in the next. Now when you get to the very end and you only have these 2 chains left, we're still going to skip this one here, but in this last one we're only going to put 1 single crochet. We're not going to include that double, so it's just going to be 1 single going right in the side there. Now you might think, oh, this looks kind of holy or it looks weird. It's just the way that the stitches are. So if you just take it and kind of pull it and let it relax a little bit, it looks a lot better. So in order to start your next row, and this is going to be the same, this row that we're about to do is what you're going to do for the rest of your piece. So it's the same exact thing over and over and over. So we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now, if you take a look here, you can see that some of these stitches across the top look a lot bigger than the others. So here's a bigger one. That would be a double crochet from the last row. And this little one here is going to be a single crochet from the last row. So when you're working these subsequent rows that we're about to do, always place your stitches in the single crochet, so the smaller one, right? You're always going to place them in the smaller one. So the very first one that when you turn, this one is a small one. So in this right here, we're going to put a single and a double. Now we're going to skip this big one and we're going to put a single and a double right in this one. Skip that big one, put a single and a double right in this one. Do it again. Skip that one, go into this one. When you get to the end, skip that one like we normally do and just put 1 single crochet in the very last stitch. And that is it. That is how you crochet the Thicket Stitch. Isn't that easy? So if you take a look here, you can see that our stitches are always, you can almost see that this is a row here, and then this is coming back this way, and then going back and forth. And it's just so easy and pretty and lovely. It's a very delicate, almost feminine look, and I just love it. I hope you love it too, and we will work on more crochet tutorials together. Thank you for watching, and I'll crochet with you again soon.